Here's a motivational story. The unstoppable journey of Rohan. Rohan grew up in a small village, surrounded by lush green fields and big dreams. His family struggled to make ends meet, and his parents worked tirelessly to provide for him and his siblings. Despite the financial struggles, Rohan's parents instilled in him a love for learning and a determination to succeed. Rohan was an average student in school, but he had a passion for running. Every morning, he would wake up at 4 a.m. to run through the fields, feeling the wind in his hair and the sun rising over the horizon. His friends would tease him, saying, "What's the point of running? You'll never make a living out of it." But Rohan didn't listen. He kept running, day after day, mile after mile. He started participating in local races and won a few, which boosted his confidence. Soon, he set his sights on the national championships. Life, however, had other plans. Rohan's family faced a severe financial crisis, and his parents couldn't afford to send him to college. Devastated, Rohan thought his dreams were shattered. One day, while running through the fields, Rohan stumbled upon a wise old man sitting under a tree. The old man asked Rohan about his troubles, and Rohan shared his story. The old man smiled and said, "Rohan, life is like running. You'll face ups and downs, twists and turns. But what matters is not how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up." Rohan took those words to heart. He started coaching younger kids in his village, using his running skills to inspire and motivate them. He also began selling vegetables from his family's farm to support his family financially. Months passed, and Rohan's hard work paid off. He saved enough money to enroll in a local college, pursuing a degree in physical education. He continued running and eventually earned a scholarship to represent his country in international competitions. Rohan's journey wasn't easy, but he persevered. He won numerous awards, including a gold medal at the Asian Games. His village celebrated, and his family's struggles became a distant memory. Rohan returned to his village, establishing a sports academy to empower underprivileged children. He shared his story, inspiring thousands to chase their dreams, no matter how impossible they seemed. The moral. Rohan's story teaches us: 1. Passion can overcome adversity. 2. Perseverance is key to success. 3. Helping others can bring greater joy than personal achievements. 4. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Your turn. What's your dream? What obstacles are you facing? Remember Rohan's story and know that you, too, can overcome any challenge. Keep pushing forward, and your unstoppable journey will begin. Would you like me to generate another story?